networks, only from Straight Talk Wireless, only at Walmart. Video and typically streams at DVD quality. Please refer only to the latest terms and conditions of service at straighttalk.com. The Four Battle for Stardom is a new head-to-head singing competition on Fox. Four amazing singers. Every week, they'll face off against new challenges with the superstar panel of hitmakers. Sean Diddy Combs, DJ Khaled, Megan Trainor, Charlie Ward, and hosted by Fergie. The prize is the panel. They become the winner's dream team working to make them a star. The winner will also be named iHeartRadio's On the Verge artist. The Four Battle for Stardom, premiering Thursday, January 4th on Fox.
Got any music lovers on your holiday list? You can get them the perfect gift in less than a minute. Quello Concerts. With Quello, they can watch thousands of the best concerts and music documentaries on a smart TV, like a Roku TV, or on the go. Quello's got everything from Elvis to Springsteen, Bowie to Beyonce, Pink Floyd, The Who, and so much more. In just 1 minute, you can give the perfect gift they'll use all year long. Go to QELLO.com/gift and give the gift music lovers really want.
At Walgreens, you can trust we've got you covered for any surprise the season brings.
Even if I run out of wrapping paper?
Yep, you're good.
What if I forget the hostess gift?
We've got something for everyone on your list.
Okay, let's just say hypothetically, my in-laws show up unannounced
Ah.
for Christmas for the
Fuck's
third
sake.
year in a row.
We have eggnog? Pop over to Walgreens and find just what you need just in time to be holiday ready. Select stores open until midnight.
A little help here?
In our house, we go through a lot of toilet paper.
Okay, four-wheel drive again.
Super Mega Bowl. Our longest lasting bowl.
Ooh!
Charmin Super
Ooh.
Mega Bowl.
Whoa! Whoa!
And now,
Whoa!
we can
Jeez.
enjoy more goes and less woes. Try the long-lasting new Charmin Super Mega Roll today and enjoy the go.
Oh my god!
Colonel Sanders here with another
Oh my god, I got that on video!
this year.
Woo! Oh my god!
Instead, wasted watching TV or catching up on sleep. And let me prepare
Oh my god.
for the family with a KFC.
Oh my god.
That's 8 pieces of
Oh my god.
original recipe chicken, 2
Huh.
large mashed potatoes and bacon, a large coleslaw, and 4 biscuits. Just $20.
Oh.
All right, get along now.
Oh, man.
It's gonna watch itself. KFC.
Oh.
Available for limited time only. Pricing and
Oh.
may vary. Tax extra.
Oh my. Hey guys, that was close. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, that was crazy. So yeah. What did y'all do today? So I'm in Estes. I just went down Fish Creek because I'm an idiot. And so yeah. I took the road less traveled on. Listen. Oh man. So this is my home away from home. I live in Longmont, and this is where my parents live. And actually, I'm thinking about moving to Arkansas to go to a trade school / community college, university type thing. So, yeah, man, that was interesting. But I'm almost to my house, so whenever I get there, this video will be over. I get to see my puppy dog. I'll upload some videos about my dog, and I'm just recording on my iPhone right now. But once I get a GoPro, I'm gonna stick one on the left side, one on the right side, and then one outside. I'm not sure exactly where. Oh man, I'm going too fast. That's just, if y'all don't know, Estes Park, their cops are notorious for pulling people over. So this is my street that I lived on before I went to Longmont. Alright. Home sweet home. I get to see my puppy dog. Alright guys, that includes this video. So, like that, I'm out of here.